Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Money Talks, in which we discuss market analysis, education learning on stock market every day through our video. So do subscribe our channel to get regular updates, and if you like our video and it gives some learning to you, then do give a like so that we get motivated through it. So keep supporting our channel, and that's what we want from you. Okay, then we'll start our video. Okay, so market is open now. We'll open the chart. Okay, it has opened gap up. As the momentum was clear that it will go bullish momentum, but let's see what happens. As seen in candles, it might go again in bearish trend. Okay, now the market is going a little bit down. It opened up, but now it's going continue bearish movement. But after forming a bearish candle, the market might go down because the first candle was bearish. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so after seeing the market is going bearish, so we'll take a trade now over here. We'll go short. We'll check Bank Nifty also. Okay, after forming the first candle in bullish, now it's going in bearish trend. Buyers and sellers are a bit more stronger both sides. As you can see, the wick is also bit almost equal compared to the body. Nifty, it shows clear momentum, but in Bank Nifty it's showing in bullish trend again now, but in Nifty it's showing continuous down. So might be in Bank Nifty also the momentum will be same. Okay, we'll take our targets and stop loss. Again 30 points का stop loss and 60 points का target. In Nifty, the 60 points का target is quite big, but in Bank Nifty, in some quick minutes also, but not in Bank Nifty, not in Nifty, because the movement of the market is a bit slow compared to Bank Nifty in Nifty. Okay, let's see. Okay, so after waiting for half an hour, our first paper trading target has been done. The momentum was continuous in bearish trend, so might be a reversal can happen now. We'll check Bank Nifty also. Yeah, Bank Nifty is also a bit going down. The pivot points are being a bit stronger support, so now it got break. Okay, let's see what happens next. Okay, so today we've taken only one paper trading trade, and then after that we were just observing the market. Okay, so we'll recall the market. What was the movement today? As the market opened gap up, so we have taken the trade on the second one. So we've waited almost 25 to 30 minutes to hit our target, and that got hit. So later on the momentum was a bit volatile. It was going down, and then the wick was a bit too big compared to body, and then the volatile again in bullish trend. Then we thought we should wait. The market was a bit volatile also today. So on second half the market was in continued bearish trend. So nowadays in second half only the market is showing his range in bullish or bearish trend. So in first half sometimes it shows bullish or bearish, but sometimes it shows only volatile. But nowadays in second half, if you see yesterday also, the first half was almost rallying in the pivot points only. We'll check Nifty also, Bank Nifty also. Yeah, Bank Nifty was going in bullish trend, and once it got touched in CPR, it got down again and again, and again once it crosses second CPR, it again was rallying in some time in that area only, and then again it got pulled off in bearish trend, and then it closes near the CPR only. Also today we have started our real trading also, as after almost 1.5 months later, because I just wanted to do paper reading and back testing, so how the market rallies, how I can make my how I can improve my mistakes. As you can see our basics of stock market video, in almost 1 month I lost 5k, so I don't wanted to repeat that mistakes again and again, so I was just doing paper reading and back testing from almost 1 month. So today I thought and I should go for intraday, not futures and options. I've taken a trade not in Bank Nifty or Nifty. I've taken a trade in Adani Enterprises, because this stock I was analyzing from many days. So though the Bank Nifty and Nifty was rallying in bit movement only, so that in this stock also. So once I got the range that it might go up, I've taken 2 trades in this. I'll show you in my Zerodha account also. This also market open gap up, and then momentum was bit up, and then again the volatile market was happening. I kept my eye on this stock only, and then after this 1280 crosses, I thought after seeing these green candle which formed below this red candle, I should go for long, but my first trade only got hit the stop loss, because I thought the momentum was in bit bullish also, but the market was going down. But if you see the candles of bullish, these candles were bit big, so I thought the movement can reverse also, but I was wrong. So my my stop loss got hit over here. I've taken the small stop loss. I've taken 5 points ka stop loss and 10 points ka target. So 5 points got over here. I just wanted to take a small risk to ratio, so that's why I've taken only 5 to 10 points in risk to ratio. So I felt that the market is showing continue bearish. So then I have taken a trade again in this, and I've taken in short. In this I've taken in bullish trend. I thought that the market will go up, but in this I thought the moment is continue showing bearish, so I should go with the market, not against the market. So I've taken a trade over here. So now I'll show you my Zerodha account, how my first trade was in loss. And so I've taken the first trade in almost 1281, and my target was around in bullish momentum, but it got my stop loss hit, so almost 6 points ka stop loss was there. So on that my first trade I got loss around 50 rupees, and in second trade I've taken a short position. I've entered in 1274, and I've exited in 1262. So I've entered over here 1274, okay, 1274, and I've exited around 1262. The amount doesn't matter, but the try do matters the most for me, that I've at least started, which will build my confidence level also. In this I've invested 2000 only, and my return on investment was around 5%. If I waited for more some seconds also, so my profit could have been around 200 plus. So my return on investment could have been around 10 to 15%. So no issues. What will happen tomorrow, let's see. As the market was about to close, the momentum was continue bullish, so we'll wait for our tomorrow's price action, what happens, what it forms. As per this, it shows continuous momentum. So if the market opens sideways and it forms to continue big candles of bullish, so you can go long. And if the market opens gap up, and wait for the price action, wait for the CPR when it forms. If the market shows little bit bearish momentum also, then you should wait. The market can go volatile, and the second half can show you the clear movement. And if the market shows gap down, then you should wait for the price action, what levels it can show to us. If you check once Nifty also, as Nifty is showing with continued bearish momentum. So tomorrow we'll give the levels also on this, and also wait for the price action trend line also, what it forms at what and at what levels. Okay, I've given the targets. Okay traders, we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye.